They always trying to sell us something inside Target, y'all.
This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain.
Hey y'all, welcome in. Welcome back to my channel. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. But today is Monday, the 17th. It's me and my fiance. We just dropped P off to my mama. And we about to just find something to do. See what we can do. And just have a little fun while we got us a little free time. We already with AT&T. Yeah. Already got the newest phone. AT&T. Everything AT&T.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Y'all dripped out, huh?
Yep. They always trying to sell us something inside Target, y'all.
I testify for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry was kidding. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me.
These cannot be all the mirrors. Or are they right here? No. I mean, I just got those mirrors from here. Did I take them all? Oh, it's one right here. Took the last one. Yeehaw, yeehaw. I'm gonna see. What the fuck? That's okay. Let's get the command strips. Where can I get the command strips though? Where those be?
Command.
What? Right in my face. 2 boxes. We got everything we need. Simple. Oh, starting a new project already. But yeah, we started a new project already. We on to the next, on to the next. I just can't be bored for too long. Y'all won't see that. But we about to ring up and I'll see y'all in a second. I just had to start recording. Oh, my skirt. Look at this car. Oh, the car. It's not perfect. My skirt almost flew up. Back in the car.
I forgot Princess be driving this sometimes.
Yeah, a princess.
Long as you can do it, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Talking lost news and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you.
She said I look handsome. Oh, what a gentleman. Hello. Simple, y'all. We about to get back in this car. I'm about to take Miss Rayleigh back to the workplace. I know that's the last place she want to be on myself. I done did some of my schoolwork up in here. I'll see y'all when I get back home. We're just chilling right now in the house. I'm about to probably give him a bath first. Because his eggs have been bothering him. And when he take a bath, it stops it from itching. So I'm probably about to do that first. And then do that. And I'm going to take y'all with me to do that. It's a behind the scenes of the mother or whatever. So yeah. Y'all about to see all that. No, but I see y'all in a second when I'm in Pete's bathroom. An afternoon bath. Because he got eczema and sweat because Mr. P.
Smashing, grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find the home when you're not here. I'm saying, I can't lose without you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Get something out his closet for him to put on.
I can't lose without
Yes, hey.
I might start that shit hit for real, man. That shit good. Yo.
Oh my god.
Being a mother. To a big boy.
That's why you need your hair comb. Don't look at me like that.
Don't look at me.
Prince, let me brush your hair. You better go get a fade.
Hey, girl, open.
He all good and clean.
I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna change.
Morning, y'all. It's 10:40 in the morning. Typically in the mornings I come downstairs and I just do my work, my schoolwork, because I'm in school for medical assistant. So I just do the online work that I have because I go to school on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So on the days that I don't have school, which today is Wednesday, I don't go to school. I do my work and I try to do as much as I can. So right now we just about to do some of my schoolwork with me. And yeah, I know I look a mess. It's early in the morning, y'all. I'm about to just do the schoolwork and get this all done.
I can see your eyes, trying to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby?
Hey y'all, welcome in. Today is Wednesday and I didn't really pick up the camera much yesterday after I put my baby down to sleep in the afternoon. Then today we woke up and he's been chilling and now he's asleep and I'm about to cook us something like lunch. So in the midst of that, yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all along with me to do that. I'm about to make some egg steak bagels. Hold on, I gotta put y'all on the tripod. We got to make some egg steak bagels and I'm gonna use the griddle to do that, so I'm not using a bunch of pans and all that because I gotta push these dishes away. But yeah, so we about to just do that, cook, and yeah, so y'all about to watch me do that.
Loving you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro, come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know?
queen.
Come baby, fuck with a pro.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever.
It's already cooking up. So yeah, now I'm about to top this stuff up so that way when it's done, I can put that on the skillet with it.
Focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.
I had to free him some space, y'all, but we back in action. The steak is done.
But I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
We lay the cheese on top, like that. Look delicious.
Baby, can you focus on me?
That cheese. Give it for you. That's it. Easy cook meal. What is you doing? Prince. Good morning, y'all. It is so fucking early, y'all. It is 6:17 in the morning. I'm about to get ready for school and all that great stuff. And I'll see y'all when I either get downstairs or when I make it to school. So, see y'all in a second. Hey guys, good morning. So like I talked to y'all earlier, I was tired. I was so tired, y'all didn't even do my hair for real. I just took it down out of the scarf and just brushed it. Took a shower, brushed my teeth, did everything else. Didn't care about my hair. But more of the fact, I'm on my way to school. If y'all cannot tell, I'm on my way to school. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, the 20th of March. And I got school today. I get to school, all that, and I'll just see y'all when I make it to school. So I can focus on this road and get there safely. See y'all later. Just got out of school. I'm about to head home. Y'all, this backpack is so heavy. Whew. Made it in. Oh, that was my phone case that broke. What the heck? Whew. Today was a very good day at school. I got a lot of my work done. Only got a couple more assignments to do and I'll be done with my work for this week. And then, yes, that'll be that. And I will see y'all when I make it home. All right, y'all. I made it back home from school. I've been in here chilling. I done some work. My baby done took a nap and he done woke up. He's eating some snacks now. I'm about to actually clean up this kitchen so I can cook dinner for tonight, and that's just that. And today is Thursday. I'm closing this vlog out today. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all come back, watch all my other videos because I got a lot more good content coming for you guys. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see all this good stuff that I do in my life, because it don't get nothing better than this. It's only March, y'all. We got a whole lot of other months to come. So let's get it, y'all. Do what you gotta do, and I love y'all. Y'all have a good week.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic.